So here we are for the Christmas competition, finally here. Well, this year you can win, if you look over here, you can win a hot smoked barbecuing kit from hotsmoke.co.uk. You can also win, as down here, you can also win the sausage stuffer kit, starter kit that's been donated via westenfelder.co.uk, and there's also a little desktop barbecue grill that's been donated as well that come in that prize pack for you to win, so you can make, smoke and cook your lovely sausages. So how's the competition going to work this year? Similar format to last year. There'll be 4 questions that will be delivered via videos like these over the next three and a bit weeks. You will have until 12 p.m. or midnight on the 23rd of December to get your entry in with all the correct answers. If there's more than one correct answer, we will use our wheel of names to choose a winner, and that winner will be announced on the Facebook and social media channels at 9 o'clock a.m. on Christmas Eve. So, should we start off with question 1? This is called Pigquasion. I'm going to give you a little example on the next interactive screen video that shows you an example, and then I'll show you the exact question that you need to answer. You can download a copy of this question in PDF format using the link that's in the description for the video below, so you can work at that in your own pace. I will say, pay close attention. So here's the example. So here we go with the example then. So we're trying to solve the bottom line. A plus B times C equals what? So if we look at A plus A plus A is equal to 30, and A plus B is 16, and C plus B minus B is equal to 7, what does A plus B times C equal? Well, let's look at the first line first. So A plus A equals 30 is the same as saying 3 A's is equal to 30. That's 30 divided by 3 means that A is equivalent to 10. So to solve the second line, A plus B equals 16 is the same as saying that we know that A is 10. It's the same as saying 10 plus B equals 16, which is the equivalent of saying B plus B is equal to 6. We take the 10 off, and thus we've got 2 B's. That's 6 divided by 2 is 3, therefore we know the value of B is 3. The next line is C plus B minus B is equal to 7. That's the same as us saying C plus 3 minus 3 equals 7. Well, 3 minus 3 is 0, so that's the same as us saying C is equal to 7. Therefore, we now know what A, B and C are equal to. So if we look at the equation, A plus B times C equals what? It's the same as saying 10 plus 3 times 7 is equal to, well, you have to apply the rules of BODMAS here, so you have to do your times and division before you're adding and subtraction. So 3 times 7 is 21, plus 10 is 31. So the answer is 31. Simple as that. All you have to do is apply this logic to the real question, which is coming up next. Right, so there you go. That's the easy one. Here's the real one. So, make a note, get your answers, jot it down, but please do pay very close attention. You might get caught out. Anyway, good luck for question 1. I will be back in a few days with question 2.